when it comes to conoce sus derechos, when it comes to know your rights, what do you want your potential clients to know, or what do you want people who are caught in this situation to know?
Well, I think I mentioned earlier that they do have rights. So they have a constitutional right just like anyone else, regardless of legal status. So if they were approached, like for example, at a workplace, they have a right to remain silent. They have a right to not show them any documentation to anybody who may come onto the workplace. You cannot provide false information, you cannot provide a false name, you cannot provide false documentation to a federal agent. But if you simply want to remain silent, then remain silent. I just want them to know that just because they are faced with the impending issue that a federal agent or the federal government is coming after them, they need to check to see what availability as far as legal remedies that they may have and to protect themselves. They need to have a pre-plan. Right now, we're proposing to some of our clients a packet that includes power of attorney, a G-28 if they want to retain us in the event that something happens, includes in their documents to provide in the event that they're immediately deported for whatever reason, so they can give the power to some other adult to take care of their children, so that they can go into their schools to make sure they get them picked up, give them the authority to do so. So we're providing packets to these individuals for a small nominal fee. They wanted to buy them so they can pre-plan these things because they got to know that this is something that you got to make plans to do and not be surprised, because this is one of those things that's, if it surprises you, you're not prepared, it really, like you mentioned, it's going to have in massive effects, a ripple effect into everything, because now they're not, like you said, they're not going to be in their houses, and now the rent's not going to be paid, and who's going to take care of the kids, and how about if the kids have to go to the hospital? Now there's no HIPAA release on files signed by the proper authoritative parent. So they have to be really have pre-planned packages set in the event of the worst thing to happen. And and that's really the takeaway from that is that, and that individuals do have constitutional rights that they need to and make sure that they're aware of and that they invoke.
So do you have staff right now that can take phone calls and set up these clients with those services?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So we can provide a number to this video in our name, but we have offices in Las Vegas, Dallas. We serve clients all over the country and some outside. So yeah, our office is more than welcome to take on consultations. We charge a small fee for a consultation, but it's for 30 minutes to answer any and all questions that they may have, and we explore any potential opportunities they may have as far as a legal option to remain here in the United States or to have any pending applications that they may be eligible for.